চেষ্টা করছেন কভারিং সাধুবাদ ছিল সেখানে হুমান সিং পরিষদে ড্রিবলিং এখানে কিন্তু অনেক দূর থেকে শট শিবশনের হাতে বলটা তুলে দিলেন মানে সুন্দর ক্রসটা করে সেখানে চলে এসে আটকে দিলেন রক্ষণ শিবচরণ Wow. Good bit of goalkeeping once again we can see by Sipcharan. He just that ball beautifully and just broke it, shaped it beautifully. Number 7 is Krishna. He did get the ball position. Now Kumar played for Vikasmura. Vikasmura played for Milinal. Left fullback. Now looking for an assist. It's a counter ball to the Rajit Bandi once again to the left. Just trying to put some impact. What a penalty! Once again still there is notable position. Good ball and good control of the ball. Sadhu Bandi now just looking to pass it to Kuman. Yes, here has done his duty once again. Peter Hamram really able to score once again. Great cross. This sick cross it was into the penalty box, but little bit high. That was from Rajit Bandi. That was from Rajit Bandi. Lakshman Lahar could able to pass it towards teammate Sadhu Bandi. Little bit high hill challenge. That is why Rushil had been brought by Seth Raviraj Hamram sir. So, exit. Left the ball for the Mendy. But Lakshman Lahar headed away that ball beautifully. Again, the top net is from Neymar. No, that was no.